Welcome to Kagera Drawing Solution. Immerse in the vast world of oil and gas piping design, a course crafted meticulously for those yearning to become piping engineers. Grasp the fundamentals, dive into the complexities, and emerge with skills that set you apart. In just a few weeks, you'll acquire knowledge about piping system components, their functions, and the importance of accurate design. Discover the intricate relationship between pressure, temperature, and material selection. Unravel the art of drafting piping layouts that adhere to safety standards and operational efficiency. The course also introduces you to essential tools and software that streamline the design process. These include AutoCAD, PDMs, and SP3D. From theoretical concepts to practical applications, this course has it all. Embark on this journey today. Unlock your potential and step into the thriving oil and gas industry with confidence. This course is your first step towards becoming a successful piping engineer. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Make this oil and gas piping design course that step. As they say, knowledge is power.